trying out this new Fire Maple lightweight camping frying pan. It has a good quality folding handle. Just see Fire Maple there. Yeah, I'll put the specs on the screen, the weight and what have you. Yeah, I'm just going to be making myself some breakfast by the sea. You can't beat the smell of fried spam in the morning. A really nice location to enjoy breakfast. Just getting some sausage and beans on. Not a bad little breakfast to enjoy by the sea.
All going on at Camp Monkey. Sun's starting to come out, blue sky almost. Aren't they? More importantly, got the breakfast on the go. It's going to be alright now. I've got bacon. What more do you need? What more do you need? Some bacon. Oh.